to LED Insiders. And today we're taking a closer look at smart lighting solutions, how LED lights, combined with automation, can make your home modern, intelligent, and energy efficient. Imagine, you walk into your home, the lights turn on automatically, adjust to your mood, and help you save on electricity bills all without lifting a finger. Smart lighting means controlling LED lights through a mobile app, voice assistant like Google, Alexa, or Siri, or automation sensors. This isn't just about convenience. It's about transforming the way you live. How LED and automation work together. LED lights are the perfect match for automation because instant response. They switch on-off instantly, with no warm-up time. Energy efficiency. Automation ensures lights are only on when needed, saving electricity. Color control. RGB and tunable white LEDs adapt to your mood and the time of day. Long life. LEDs last even longer with automation because they run only when necessary. Here are some practical examples of smart lighting in action. Motion sensor lights. Lights turn on as soon as you enter a room. Sunset, sunrise scheduling. Lights automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn. Voice commands. Alexa, turn on the living room lights. Scene settings. Instantly switch between dinner, movie night, or party mode lighting. Smart lighting isn't just a luxury. It's a way to make your home safer, more energy efficient, and more comfortable. The best part? This technology is now more affordable than ever. If you're thinking about upgrading your home, stay tuned to LED Insiders. In our next episode, we'll share the best devices and brands to start your smart lighting journey. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and take the first step towards smart living.